Hey everybody. Uh Today, well, starting yesterday, I caught a really bad cold and I'm like super congested and super sniffly like all day. I was just sniffling and sneezing and my nose was just pouring like a running faucet. Like it was terrible. I was like having to go to the bathroom every 2 seconds to grab some more tissue to blow my nose. And today, it's not running as much because I woke up even more congested than before, as you can hear. I'm hoping that some of these sneezes that I've been having will help me to breathe a little easier, but I might just have to force them out just to help out. But I'm gonna try and catch as many natural ones as I can. Sorry if you hear panting in the background, that is my dog and he wants attention. So, yeah. Well, that helped a little. Except now my eyes are all watery. I don't know if it's because the weather just suddenly changed, or if it's because I'm around people a lot more than I was before, but somebody got me like this. I'm starting to think it's not just the weather. I'm glad that it's cold outside because I love cold weather, but this cold I have, this is terrible. Because I'm very busy nowadays, unlike before. So I can't have things like this slowing me down. Excuse me. I think I'm gonna try getting a few out, because that one felt like it was on the right track. I also apologize if you can hear the fan in the background, but my office gets super hot and stuffy if I don't have it going. Oh, God, it's like one nostril at a time will just be super stopped up. I hate it. Oh, God, this tickles. Okay, that helped quite a bit. I think I said in my last video I'm back to rolling up toilet paper to induce because Q-tips just tickle unbearably and don't make me sneeze anymore. But it's like, my nose is just so gross and wet that it was making it hard to actually like get any sort of tickle going, but that worked. That definitely worked. Oh, let's try again. I want to hurt my throat a little bit. Oh, I can feel a tickle in there. Oh, it's right there. Oh, God, it wants to give out. It really does. trying. Oh, Jesus. Oh, that made me feel a bit lightheaded. Oh, God. Oh. Oh. When I get that right tickle, it just really gets it. Oh. I don't even know how, but somehow there's this on my, there's residue on my glasses now. I think I feel another one. Okay, I think that one went away. I've spent a lot of this video rambling and inducing, so for the rest of it, I'm probably just gonna try to catch the natural ones when they come out. Oh, that was a messy one. Oh. Oh. Oh god. Oh god. I need a tissue right now. I think that's all I'm gonna record for now, but hopefully I'll get better soon. Thanks for listening, and I hope you're feeling better than I am.